Good morning, class 10. In the last video, we have completed the acid and bases. So today we will start salt. Salt, as you know, the common salt, but except this common salt, there are large number of salts are also present. So let's start about the salt. Salt, we know in general the salt is which we used in the kitchen as a flavoring agent, but that is not only the single salt. That is the sodium chloride. Except this sodium chloride, we have a large number of salt, which is formed by the combination of an acid with base. Salt is also formed when hydrogen atom of an acid replaced by a metal. So we can define the salt as salt is formed by the combination of an acid and base. For example, when hydrochloric acid HCl combined with sodium hydroxide base to form NaCl, that is the sodium chloride. It is a salt with water. KCl, this is also a salt which is formed by the combination of KOH, potassium hydroxide combined with HCl, hydrochloric acid. I told you that salt is also formed by the replacement of hydrogen of an acid by metal. For example, when hydrochloric acid combined with the metal zinc, zinc replaces the hydrogen of an acid in the form of hydrogen gas and to form their salt, that is zinc chloride. This zinc chloride is a type of salt. So by this way we can also form the salt. Now how we can naming these salts? Salts have the two parts. For example, like NaCl, it has two parts. Sodium is the first part and the Cl is the second part. Therefore, salts have two parents. This first part comes from the base and the second part comes from an acid. Like this is formed by the combination of NaOH and HCl. Now, first part comes from the base NaOH and this chloride comes from the second part comes from the acid. By this way we can naming the salt. We have the next example like KCl. Its name is potassium chloride. The first part of potassium chloride is K and Cl is the second part. This first part comes from the base and this second part comes from the acid. Base KCl is formed by the combination of base KOH and acid HCl. It means this Cl part comes from the HCl and K comes from the KOH base. We have several salts. For example, NaCl, KCl, MgCl2, ZnCl2, NH4Cl. Students, see here in this The second part of this salt is similar. They all contain Cl. Therefore, these salts are called chloride salts. These are called chloride salt. Means the salt of hydrochloric acid is called chloride salt. Salt of hydrochloric acid is called chloride salt. Salt of sulfuric acid H2SO4 is called sulfate. Sulfate salt. For example, Na2SO4, MgSO4, CaSO4, NH4 whole 2SO4, sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, ammonium sulfate. They all contain sulfate, SO4 group. This SO4 group, because this is the second part, it comes from the acid. So it comes from the acid H2SO4. Therefore, the name of these salts is sulfate salt. Similarly, nitrate salt. The salt which comes from the nitric acid, these are called nitrate salt. For example, NaNO3, Mg, NO3 whole 2, KNO3. These are called nitrate salt because they contain nitrate group, NO3 group. And this NO3 nitrate group comes from the acid nitric acid, HNO3. Therefore, the name of these salts are nitrate salt. Similarly, acetate salt. Acetate salt comes from the acetic acid, CH3COOH. For example, CH3COONA, sodium acetate. CH3COONA, potassium acetate, CH3COOK. Its name is potassium acetate. So these are the rules by which we can use to naming the salts. We can also give the name of salts on the basis of first part. These are on the basis of second part. Second part comes from the acid, and by this way we can classify the salt as chloride, sulfate, nitrate or acetate salt. On the basis of first part of salt, how we can name the salts. For example, see here, this is sodium sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium carbonate and sodium nitrate. Students, in these salts, the first part of salt is same, that is sodium. Therefore, these salts belongs to sodium family, or we can say that these are the sodium salt. Similarly, when potassium chloride, these salts have the potassium, first part is potassium. Therefore, these salts we are called family of potassium. Potassium salts. Similarly, magnesium salt, zinc salt, they are